Looking for a fun, non-food Valentine's Day gift ideas for the kiddos? These Valentine's Day sock wrappers are perfect. And best of all, I have a free printable for you guys. If you want to see how to grab it, print, and assemble these, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to download, print, and assemble our free Valentine's Day sock wrappers. These are perfect for classroom Valentines, party favors, gift giving, and teacher's gifts. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to our website at hangingwiththekiddos.com and grab the free printable. Once we have downloaded and opened the file, it's time to print. I'm going to be using our glossy paper, so I need to make sure I go into my printer settings and set it for the type of paper I'm using. I'm going to set my paper type to photo glossy paper, and I'm going to set the print quality to best. You can also use cardstock. Just make sure your printer settings are set for that type of paper. I'm going to be printing our labels out using our party and confetti glossy paper sheets. Once the labels are printed, you can cut them out. I'm using my paper trimmer, but you can use scissors as well. Next, you just want to take your label, wrap it around your socks, and secure the back with double-sided tape. If you want to personalize them, you can write in a name with a pen or a permanent marker. It's totally optional, but it adds such a cute personalized touch. And that's it. This is a super cute and simple non-candy Valentine's Day idea. So grab the printable from our website. I'll be sure to link it in the description box down below. And make these for your classroom or your kiddos. I love to see what you make and how you use them. Thanks so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And see you next time. Bye.